Hi, I'm miltonchang of Bonsaiheirloom. Today is May 1st, a beautiful sunny day, mild. I would like to work on these two of the trees, very similar, typical of what we ship out. And the reason is that a customer in Minnesota received a bonsai in the fall, and she kept it indoor next to a bright window, actually a long window, big window. And the tree looks really healthy after the whole winter. So that proves again, a bonsai tree can be kept indoor, even they are really outdoor trees. And they're just not as vigorous. The growth will be less vigorous, very strong, but the tree will survive. And then in the summertime, after winterizing it, to avoid the deep freeze, you can take it out and it will grow very rapidly because the tree is basically well implemented with healthy soil. So basically when you get the tree, these are two different sizes for comparison purposes. This tree, I did a quick pruning before we put it in a box because this will go in a box and get shipped. And so that it's still reasonably full, so you don't get shocked that it's very bare. What I normally do is cut it to very bare and let it grow out again so that it will be exactly right. But we'd rather let you to have the pleasure of pruning to shape the tree the way you like it. You envision what a tree will grow in nature that you like, versus trim it less, ship you a tree that's untidy in its growth, and then for you to quickly, I will go through quickly pruning it and to get it to rough shape, and then do the detailed pruning to get it to fairly bare state, and so that when it grows again, it will be right, more appropriate with the right ramification, the right places, etc., for future purposes. In a sense, then the tree will look really beautiful in the long run after several pruning. So the question is that I have a tree that I put next to a window that's staying very healthy. What do I do with it? Well, this is what I would suggest. The bonsai is really easy to keep. That's why we call it lifestyle bonsai, because a bonsai is a hobby. It has to fit into your lifestyle. And you have a very busy working schedule, but bonsai provides you a really nice vehicle to relax while you tend to it, but it shouldn't be tedious. So my suggestion is that don't stress out. Just take a clipper, which we often come, depending on which model you order, you get one of these with you, and you envision what the tree will look like as it grows, and you just clip it. Few at a time or all at once, doesn't matter, depending on how much time you have. Bonsai up until now is not as popular as it could have been because it's kind of a rigid, you have to follow a lot of rules and all that. Bonsaiheirloom took away all of this by implementing the tree really well. We have, for example, a patent pending feature that allows you to allow the water to get absorbed to keep the root ball moist without drying out. These are little features enable us to kind of painlessly fit into your lifestyle to become your bonsai heirloom. So with that in mind, I don't think I need to keep through all of that because every tree is a little different, but you can see it's starting to take shape. At the same time, it's becoming more bare. But again, I assure you, it will fill out fairly quickly. In 2 months' time, you will have long growth like this, and you can clip it again to shape it to the shape, to the design, the style you like. So that's all about keeping bonsai. Water once a day, keep it under full sun. Wintertime, you can display in-house right next to a bright window. I think that's pretty much your water once a day. And if you want a fertilizer to pamper it, a dash of houseplant fertilizer once every couple, 3 months would appreciate it. The tree would do super well, have more growth for you to prune to your heart's desire. And that's it. So again, I demonstrated very quickly and tell you how to maintain a bonsai you got from Bonsai Heirloom, because they are well implemented, that designed to last. And all you have to do is prune it occasionally and water it once a day, put it under the sun. You will have a healthy tree for your heirloom. So I thank you very much for watching. Again, I want to urge you to sign up to become a VIP to get announcements. But more importantly is to tell a friend so that you can share this wonderful hobby with them. And in fact, share this hobby with your children so that you can share your value system with them in a very natural way instead of looking at their phone social network. I thank you very much. Please click like to give me some encouragement. I like that. And tell a friend and sign on to become our VIP. I see you next week.